Hello, it's your girl Angela, and I'm coming to you today to talk a little bit more about what legal document assistants are, what we can do, and how we might be able to help you. So legal document assistants are formerly known as independent paralegals. One of the first questions I get from clients is, are you a paralegal? And the answer is yes. However, paralegals are not allowed to provide services directly to the public without supervision of an attorney. And if I give you my card as a paralegal and say, hey, I can help with your divorce, then that attorney's name had better be on my card. That's just the way the laws are. And the whole purpose is to protect the consumer, you. So you're a legal document assistant. What does that mean? Okay, so that's a fair question. So a legal document assistant is a paralegal. For some of us, that's how we qualify to become registered, who is bonded and registered in the county where the principal place of business is to provide services directly to the public. So we are non-attorney legal professionals authorized to assist self-representing litigants with the completion of legal documents. LDA's legal document assistants cannot represent anyone in court. We cannot advise as to the law or a client's rights. We don't select documents, and our businesses are not law firms. We can only prepare documents at the client's specific direction. So, how do you work with a legal document assistant? Well, the good news is, for simple cases such as divorces, there's a lot of literature out there. At your local courts, the Judicial Council has information, or you can pick up a NOLA book, and it explains the process of a divorce and what you should do and what you need to do. Or you can always go and spend a half hour or an hour consultation with an attorney to make sure you really understand what your rights are, and then come to the legal document assistant to prepare your documents. The other great news is a lot of times the courts already have prepackaged forms and a process laid out for self-representing litigants to follow. I work with here in Sacramento County, and they have great packages that I love. And so the clients bring those packages to me, or I can print them for them. That's one of the things I do in an initial consultation. I can print documents and whatever the client needs. And then we talk about what information needs to be put in those documents. In order to do that, I give clients a questionnaire. And in the questionnaire, that's where you provide me details. Your name, address, date of marriage, date of separation, if you have minor children, if you have assets and debts that need to be divided, if you want spousal support, all the fun things that go into filing for a divorce. The great things about these questionnaires is that they're attorney approved. I'm part of the California Association of Legal Document Assistants, and we have really great materials and informational brochures for clients trying to make sense of the legal process to use as a resource. And so this is how we keep from crossing that line of practicing law. And so, but if you do have a question that goes it goes to the place where it's asking me to give you legal advice, I'll have to say no, and that's okay. I have to say no all the time because people don't understand often that the questions they're asking is legal advice. They're just trying to better understand. Sometimes I can provide materials that really answer the question or provide more insight. That way you can then make a better informed decision. And then that's how we work through it. But if it really gets to the place is, hey, what should my date of separation be? You know, do I do it this day because I won the lottery the day before? Or do I do this day because I want to say I won the lottery afterwards? I can't tell you that, but you should seek legal counsel. But the court instructional package do say that the date of separation is a date when both parties, or one or either party, decided the marriage was over and acted accordingly. And that's not me giving legal advice or advising to the law. That's generally available public information that's published in the Sacramento County Step 1 packet. And so that's one way that I can help too, is I can provide these resources that really and provide some information, and then you make the decision. So I hope this helps. I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to support you through them. But at the end of the day, this is your rodeo, and I'm just along for the ride.